Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word left-hander. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The baseball team was in need of a skilled left-hander pitcher to complete their starting rotation. A left-hander refers to a person who uses their left hand as their dominant hand for writing, drawing, playing sports, or completing tasks. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.